I'm Mariana Nuño Ruiz McEnroe, and I'm a Mexican cook and a blogger.
And I'm Ian McEnroe, an American photographer, blogger, and Mariana's partner.
And we are the creators of Just More Please, a cooking blog written to inspire people how to cook from fresh ingredients.
A few years after starting our blog, we began a new project. The idea was to create a cookbook that explored the Mexican holiday of Dia de Muertos, the Day of the Dead.
We've been working on this one-of-a-kind cookbook for the last 5 years, and it's almost finished. We have just one little hurdle left, but it's a big one. The book is all done, we just need to get it printed.
This is a big, beautiful book with more than 500 awesome photos. It measures 8 by 10 inches, has 384 pages, and 150 easy-to-read recipes. You'll learn about ingredients, where to find them, and techniques that will serve you for the rest of your life. And even though it's big and full of information, we organized and indexed it so it would be easy to use. There is more to this holiday than just sugar skulls and marigolds. We want to take you on a journey through rich culture, history at the core of this holiday. Our book is about food mainly, but it's also about honoring and respecting the dearly departed loved ones while forging new relationships and traditions in the process.
We started our journey to write this book with a trip to the source of the holiday, Mexico, and specifically to a lovely town called Pátzcuaro in the state of Michoacán. We learned so much, and we owe a debt of gratitude to all our beautiful people there who share their homes, food, and tradition with us. The book also includes instructions on how to build your own family altar, what goes on the altar, and how to create traditional Mexican handicrafts such as sugar skulls and paper flowers. You will learn iconic recipes like atoles and tamales that will keep you warm during the night vigil. You will also learn how to make pan de muerto that is left at the family altar for the souls during the celebration. Stew moles and delicious preparations for dried chiles and spicy salsas. We even teach you how to put corn through the process of
Nixtamalization, a process to create the best ever masa, the staple of a culture for centuries.
Ultimately, our book is about family, remembrance, and really amazing food. We are grateful to so many people and businesses who have supported us over these 5 years. We owe a debt of gratitude of those who share with us their homes, food, places of worships, hospitality, and heritage. We offer an enormous muchas gracias to all the citizens of Pátzcuaro, the beautiful, kind people of Michoacán, and to all Mexico. We put countless hours into creating this book, and we believe our book will be a beautiful and exciting experience for those who love and are interested in Mexico and its culture. This book you can collect it, you can gift it, share it with your familia during Dia de Muertos, and all year round.
Along with the publisher, we are asking for your support to complete this final phase of this amazing journey. Please help us make this book a reality. It is already paged, and it is ready to go to the printing press. We are so close. And
please check out our various pledge options located down the right side of this page. You can only pledge once, but look for add-ons of items that can be included with your pledge.
The last leg of our journey is up to you. Please make the pledge now. You can also help by sharing this page with your friends and family and co-workers, and by sharing this link on your social media.
Thank you so much for your kindness and generosity.